All right, well, I picked up a new Minn Kota Edge. This is 45 pounds of force motor for the Adventure 17-foot bass boat from 1974 that Adam and I rebuilt from the hull up. And the other one, the trolling motor that we had attached right here, was 30 pounds and it was ancient and it was terrible. And I ended up giving it away because I didn't like it at all. So we're gonna hook this up, take it out today, Dad and I, and see how it goes. So have it on the boat. You have to make sure in the install position and in the deployed position it's okay. And actually, there's like all 6 of the bolt holes line up, so it must be the same mounting pattern. That makes it really easy. We've already taken it out and put it down and it works. So now I gotta take this little plastic piece off and mount all 6 of the bolts, and then we should be good to go for the wiring.
Yep.
This is different than it's all mounted, 6 bolts, and got the fairing back on. And we had forgotten the tie down strap, so we took it apart and put it back together again. But now we got to hook the wiring up. And so just got to take this panel off because I tucked the wiring to the battery behind it. That's fine with it.
That's weird.
He was really happy. Oh look, trolling wire. So these are ring terminals, which anyone who's not an electrician would hate me doing this. Like, oh, don't you need those? No, you definitely do not. And then this is my favorite wire stripper. This thing's great. So this wiring is from the old trolling motor, which is what, maybe 45 years old.
I don't know how old it was.
So this is what I like to do. I like to separate these out for these higher gauge wires and twist the different bundles together. I mean, someone could tell you you need to solder this. Some people may say shrink wrap. Some people may say dip coating. Yeah, that's fine. You can do all that, but you don't have to.
We've done all that before.
Yeah, and that little liquid stuff is nice, but it takes like 4 years to dry.
Yeah.
So this will corrode eventually, 10 years from now. Who knows? Notice I covered the ground because this positive is already hooked up to the battery back there. So if they touch, you're going to arc weld, like Biscuit did with a wrench. Oh, that old wire. Separate these out like you're braiding your daughter's hair. Adam, you're not doing that right. It's good. It's fine. It is fine. Fine. But you're not waterproofing it. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Car battery terminals aren't covered, that they get wet. And it's fine. Okay. But it's not copper. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. That's it. Electrical's hooked up. We can probably spin it and test it. Look at that. Oh, feels so good on a day like today.
That's pretty good. Hold on,
Let's get it going. I want to say and fly to the moon.
That thing's gonna really.
Oh, dude.
Well,
I mean, it mounted in. The wiring was super simple because we'd already run it back to the battery. The bolt holes were simple because they were already there. So we'll take it out on the water now and see how it performs.